Have you ever wondered how far two places really are? Not by road, but as the crow flies? Let me show you a quick way to measure the exact straight line distance between any 2 points using Google Maps on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open Google Maps. Touch and hold on the map to drop a pin at your starting point. Swipe up the info panel and then tap measure distance. Now move the map so the black circle is on your next point. Then tap add point. Keep adding point to trace your path. You will see the total distance in a straight line at the bottom of the screen. As a note, this feature shows straight line distance, not travel distance. So if you need driving or walking direction, use the direction feature instead. Given to the function, it's a quick way to check how far things are apart, perfect for planning walks, flight, or just satisfying your curiosity. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.